What's going on, guys? Justin with Z1 Off-Road. Today we're excited to introduce our thermoplastic version of our rear fender liner for the D41 Frontier. The benefit of this is it's a 3mm thick piece of ABS plastic. It is body lift compatible, so you have two mounting locations, and it is no drill. So you don't have to drill your frame like some of those other ones out there. It's gonna go in real simple and easy. Let me show you how we get it done. All right, so we got our mild steel bracket. It's powder coated here for you. Simple, easy install. You're gonna take a 12mm socket, and you just need to remove this little bracket here. You're gonna reuse the same hardware. All right, so little bumper pad here. What this is gonna do is it's gonna sit right in here, and you're just gonna reinstall that hardware you just took out. Once you get the hardware started, you just gotta tighten everything back up in the same spot. All right, so that bracket's in. So next step is we got this cool looking bolt here. It's got a bolt hole in it. It's gonna have this washer that's gonna sit right in here, fit itself right in here. You pull against it a little bit to keep it from spinning in the frame. This is a 19, so snug it up a little bit. Last and final part of this install is we are just gonna line it up here. It also has a weatherproof foam here to keep any vibrations to a minimum. And then you're just gonna use the supplied hardware. You're just gonna go right into the threaded holes. And once you get these all threaded and started, you use a 4mm Allen. And just tighten it all down. Now, you see, simple and easy, cleans up the look of your rear fender liner so you don't see any hideous gaps in there. And you just repeat that on the passenger side. So, super quick and easy install. Everything bolts right up so you don't have to drill. Cleans up the rear end of your D41. So if you're looking to clean up the rear fender well of your D41 Frontier, shop now at z1offroad.com today.